The benefits of working with Chelsea is their customer service and their ability just to act quickly.
Overall, it's a great group of people that will back you up whenever you need.
Years ago when we started, they helped us lay out the plant, and it was very, very, very helpful because we were not in the window business before.
The engineering side staff are very responsive to any questions I have. And of course the sales staff has been good. They're supportive of our needs.
They've helped with plant layout at times. They've helped with troubleshooting when we maybe have a bottleneck and we need to improve what we're doing. From a marketing standpoint, working with literature, so there's really not too much they have not helped our business with over the years.
They've put together a really good group of people there. That's the difference in companies. That's what makes companies good or bad. It's what makes them successful or what makes them fail.
They do marketing. We use some of their marketing pieces, which is helpful. And just being able to get a hold of them whenever we need them, and they're always quick to respond.